Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing the phone now and wiping the inside of the case with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it dries completely so adhesive sticks. Once done, cut small strips of double-sided tape or thin 1-2 mm foam into 3-4 tiny pads. Apply those pads where you see the most play, corners first, then along the sides. Press each pad down firmly with a toothpick to fix position. This builds up a slim cushion that reduces movement without blocking ports or the camera. Now put the case back on the phone to check how the pads change the fit. You want even contact without misaligning buttons or ports. If a pad protrudes, remove the case and trim it flush with scissors or a sharp blade, careful not to nick the case. Once trimmed, repeat fitting and add a tiny extra piece where you still feel looseness, especially near corners or the camera lip. This step-by-step tweak ensures a snug, evenly distributed pressure that keeps the phone seated but accessible. Finish by pressing the whole case onto the phone for 10-15 seconds so the adhesive seats well. Then test every button, the charger fit, and wireless charging if you use it, making sure nothing rubs or blocks the camera. If you still notice wobble, swap to a slightly thicker foam shim or add another tiny strip. Do not use excessive glue, as that can gum up ports and sensors. If all else fails, replace the case. It's the quickest long-term fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.